To change your currency to South African rand on Exness, follow these steps. Log into your Exness account. Go to the Exness website and log into your account using your username and password. Go to the personal area. After logging in, navigate to your personal area where you can manage your account settings. Select the account you want to change. Under the account section, find the trading account where you want to change the currency. Click on the account you wish to modify. Request currency change. Exness does not allow changing the currency of an existing account directly. To switch to ZAR, you will need to create a new account in the desired currency. Create a new account. In your personal area, click on Create New Account. During the account creation process, select ZAR as your account currency. Complete the steps to finish setting up your new account. Transfer funds to new account. Once your new account is active, you can transfer funds from your old account to the new ZAR account. Ensure you withdraw any remaining balance from the previous account before closing it. Start trading with ZAR. You can now use your Exness account in South African rand for trading.